The AI revolution is running on silicon. From data centers to smartphones and even self-driving cars, semiconductors are the brains behind artificial intelligence. The global AI semiconductor market is exploding, valued at $56 billion in 2024 and projected to hit $233 billion by 2034, growing at a CAGR of over 15%. This growth is powered by the demand for specialized AI chips, from GPUs and TPUs to edge AI processors, enabling everything from ChatGPT to autonomous driving. Today, we'll look at 8 major players shaping this trillion-dollar future. Let's start with the undisputed leader, NVIDIA. Once known for gaming GPUs, NVIDIA has become the core engine of AI, powering training and inference for models like GPT, Gemini, and Claude. At Computex 2024, NVIDIA launched its latest AI chip, Rubin, right after its Blackwell generation, proving it's in relentless pursuit of performance leadership. Rubin promises massive efficiency gains for data centers and AI workloads, keeping NVIDIA miles ahead of rivals like AMD and Intel. Simply put, NVIDIA is the heartbeat of the AI era. Next up, AMD, the challenger that refuses to back down. Following its acquisition of Xilinx, AMD gained powerful FPGA technology, giving its chips the flexibility needed for real-time AI applications. In June 2024, AMD unveiled its Instinct MI300X series, built on CDNA 3 architecture, delivering up to 4 terabytes per second memory bandwidth with HBM stacking. AMD claims up to 8 times faster AI training performance over its previous chips, and its upcoming CDNA 4 promises an incredible 35 times boost in inference by 2025. AMD isn't just competing with NVIDIA, it's driving the next wave of data center innovation with cutting-edge performance and scalability. Up next, Intel, a long-standing leader in semiconductor innovation, is gearing up for a major comeback in AI. Intel's Gaudi 3 AI chip, launched in April 2024, targets NVIDIA's dominance with higher power efficiency and scalability of up to 8 chips per motherboard. While Intel still trails in GPUs, it's betting big on AI accelerators and edge inference chips, aiming to regain relevance in the AI data center market. Intel's biggest strength lies in its vast global manufacturing footprint, giving it unmatched control over its supply chain and production ecosystem. Now, let's turn to Google, or rather Alphabet, the cloud AI architect. The company has been quietly redefining AI hardware through its Tensor processing units. In May 2024, Google unveiled its Trillium AI chip, boasting 5 times better performance for large-scale AI workloads. These TPUs are the foundation of Google Cloud's AI infrastructure, used to train models like Gemini and Palm. By designing both hardware and software together, Google ensures unmatched optimization, a true AI ecosystem advantage. Next, we move to Amazon, a major player in AI infrastructure. Its Inferentia and Trainium chips power AWS SageMaker, optimizing both training and inference for large language models. In May 2024, AWS introduced Ninja AI agents, powered by its own chips, capable of research, scheduling, and coding assistance. This shows Amazon's goal: to dominate AI infrastructure while cutting dependency on NVIDIA. While the others battle in data centers, Qualcomm leads the race at the edge, powering AI in smartphones, vehicles, and IoT devices. Its Snapdragon processors integrate on-device AI engines that can run generative models without needing the cloud. This is key for privacy, speed, and low power, from voice assistants to camera enhancements. With 5G connectivity and AI inference on-device, Qualcomm is turning every phone into an intelligent companion. Moving on to IBM. It may not compete in GPUs, but it's redefining what AI chips can mean. Through neuromorphic computing and quantum processors, IBM is exploring how chips can think like the human brain. Its research into analog AI computing could reshape future AI efficiency, reducing power use by orders of magnitude. IBM's strength lies in its long-term vision, not the short-term GPU race. And finally, Samsung Electronics, a quiet powerhouse in memory and AI edge chips. Its Exynos series integrates neural processing units, NPUs, directly into mobile processors, enabling faster on-device intelligence. Samsung is also leading in HBM, a critical component in AI training chips used by NVIDIA and AMD. Simply put, Samsung fuels the AI race from behind the scenes, both as a memory supplier and an AI innovator. So, whether it's NVIDIA's dominance, AMD's rise, or Google and Amazon's cloud innovations, one thing is clear: the AI semiconductor race is reshaping the entire tech industry. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.